All right, y'all. They are nice and brown. Okay, y'all, so we are doing an experiment today. So I have the cookies that I've already toasted. You saw those. The next thing I'm going to do is take this lemon and I'm going to take the zest and then add it to the pot with some other stuff, and we're going to make some pudding because we're going to make a dessert. Okay, so here is the lemon and here are the two zests. This is what I always recommend, that you use a continuous or longer pieces of zest so that it's easier to take out of your mixture. Okay, so I have juiced the lemon, and there we go. I get about 50 milliliters of that. So that's the juice of one whole lemon less these little pieces that I'm going to use for garnish. So I'm going to add this to my pot along with my zest, and then we'll add our other ingredients. So I use a half teaspoon of vanilla and a half teaspoon of lemon extract. Then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of this lemon infused oil. And I bought this from Ross actually, and it is authentic. It is from Italy. And I like to use lemon oil in my baked goods and in my savory dishes. It's very good. Now I'm adding half a cup of sugar in the raw, 2 cups of hemp milk. There she is. So I just started the temperature on a 4, and we're just going to constantly stir this mixture until all of the sugar is dissolved, and then we will add in our thickening agent to make our pudding. Switch to a spoon because I didn't want to scrape the bottom of my pot. Okay, it has been about 10 minutes and all of the grains of sugar have melted, so we're going to move on to adding our thickening agents. I will be using tapioca flour. You guys know that I have food allergies and sensitivities, and I am also gluten-free by necessity, not by choice. So this is also a gluten-free way to thicken soup, sauces, and fillings. It's perfect for baking. So I'm going to use the tapioca flour to thicken the sauce to bring it into a pudding consistency. So I'm going to start with 1/4 cup. Sorry guys, my phone started to die, so I added in only 1/4 cup, and you see how thick the mixture has gotten over that very low heat. So I'm going to turn off the heat and continue whisking. You have to continually whisk as you add the tapioca, and then continue whisking after so that you do not get clumps. So I'm going to continue doing this until it's smooth, and that oil that we added in helps to give it this nice glossy, shiny consistency. It's so beautiful. So we're going to continue stirring this over the heat for maybe about 30 more seconds, and then we'll pull it off so that it can cool. Okay, you guys, so I removed the zest, and I did add a little bit more lemon oil and lemon extract because my mom likes really lemony stuff. So this is the consistency of it. So we're going to assemble. Okay, so we're starting out with a layer of the pudding, and don't worry if it's not perfect. You can have a presentation side and then the other side, so don't worry about it. It's going to look good in the picture, trust me. Then we're going to go with cookie. Then we broke up 1.5 of our cookies to add to that. Then we're going to go in with more lemon, and then we'll repeat. So we added more. You definitely could alternate with whipped cream if you had it. Okay, I don't have any. Like I said, this was an experiment, so you can see.